Hello everyone, good day. In today's video, we will see how can we install Laravel version 10 in our local PHP development environment. Okay, so here you can see what is our end goal here. Install Laravel. This is the uh, refreshed version of Laravel 10 UI. Here is you can see the design has been changed. Okay, so in our installation we will see how can we install Laravel Breeze so that we can use login, register functions, etc. You can see these are all working solution here. If you go to the, let's say I will register. If I register, everything is working perfectly. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I will create a database in my local development. For local development, I am using Laragon. Here you can see my Apache version is 2.4.53, my PHP version is 8.1.10, and MySQL is 5.7. Okay, so please make sure these are available. So I will create a database called Laravel plug. My database has been created. After that, I will go to the root directory of my development environment of Laragon. It's Laragon www is my root folder. If you're using XAMPP, I hope it's called htdocs. Okay, so I will open git bash here, or you can use cmd as you like. First step is here, all the steps are included here. I will add this in my video description. First of all, step 1 is you can either install Laravel via composer, or you can install Laravel installer globally, and then if you run this command Laravel new example app or your app name, it will create the brand new Laravel application. Okay, so I will for now I will use composer here. So our application name is Laravel plug, or let's say it's Lara plug. So our installation has begun. You can see it's installing Laravel version 10.1.1. It's so fast now. Almost finished. Now here see it's generating optimized autoload files. So Laravel installation is complete. After that, we'll go to the go to my application directory. I will open the directory in code, VS Code. Now I will change my environment variables here. Change my DB name. I have provided my DB username and DB password. I will save this. After that, our step 1 and step 2 is completed. Now I will install Laravel Breeze. Our Breeze installation is okay. So now it's done. I will install Laravel breeze now. Command is php artisan breeze :install. It will ask which stack I would like to use. I will choose here blade. Yes. If you want to install dark mode also, for now I am choosing no. For paste, for now it's no. Now it's installing and building, not dependencies. It will take little bit time. By this time, let's see what I have installed. So this is my directory. I am go to the public. See, our Laravel installation is done, but still if you can want to register, it will not work because our I still I have not migrated the migrations for authentications. So our breeze is installed. After that I'll run php artisan migrate. Migration created the necessary tables: users, password resets, failed jobs, personal access tokens, etc. Now if I try again, just reload, our registration is successfully completed here. Okay, so by default when you install breeze, it will provide you the profile page, which has some beautiful utilities like profile information update, email update, password update, and you can also delete your account from here. Okay, so I hope and then you can what you can do optionally is you can npm install if you like for all the other npm dependencies, and you can run npm run dev. So our installation is complete. So I hope this video will very helpful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.